Welcome to the installation video for the RV8PSC 20 quart waste pullout. Before you begin, you'll need the following tools: a power drill with a number 2 Phillips bit and a 3/32 inch bit, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, and a pencil. In your box, you'll find the following parts: a frame, soft close slides, a 20 quart waste container, uprights, a handle, number 8 by 3/4 inch truss head screws, M4 machine screws, and washers. Determine the position you would like to install your waste container. There is a narrow way and a wide way. Take into consideration your cabinet door hinges, as your product will need to slide in and out without interference. Match the frame hole locations with the slide hole locations and snap the frame into the slides. Extend the slides to full extension and use the M4 machine screws and the washers to secure the frame to the slides. Place the frame assembly into the cabinet. Mark 4 hole locations with your pencil. Remove the frame and pre-drill with the 3/32 inch bit. Next, attach the frame to the cabinet floor using the number 8 by 3/4 inch truss head screws. Cycle the unit. Attach the uprights to the frame. Place the trash can in the uprights. Snap the handle to the front upright. An optional door mount kit is sold separately. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.